Memories always have something magical and golden, like children's fairy tales. A palace, a fairy, a princess, and a knight. Fairy tales that are good for everyone, for small and big, for those with imagination and those without one. My fairy tale is that of an inland Sicily, made of light, mountains and valleys, an island without the sea, where the sea is a mirage and the horizon has the color of wheat.
Certo. Ma è bellissimo.
Così come ricordavo questa campagna dei miei nonni.
This is the painting that I'm most fond of, the grandparents' house. The Sicily that belongs to me is the place that gave birth to me, a true and an imagined place where to depart and where to return. My Sicily is a corner of the world. It is the triumph of everyday life, of the scent of bread and good people. It is the Sicily of the little things, where the little one evokes ancient glories of those who have passed by here and of whom something has left, and that still thrives in myths and legend. Because Sicily, a metamorphical middle land, can be crossed, and those who pass through here leave heart and soul. This is the land of the Corvimite, Core, who leaves the cave on March 21st and returns from the underworld to bring back the spring. For Core cried Mother Demetra, goddess of the harvest, who for 9 days and 9 nights desperately looked for her daughter. Core, Core, Core.
È il canto della terra per la terra. È un canto di donna, come la Sicilia, perché la mia Sicilia è donna ed ha un...
It is the song of the earth for the earth. It is a woman's song, like Sicily, because my Sicily is a woman, and has a woman's name. It is a female, like the earth, that fertilized by the seeds of wheat, receives its fruits in the womb. It is a mother, like the Madonna, that has saved and protected this land so many times. A mother that has much overflowing with art and love, not always knew how to be lenient with her children. And so its poor children, through fog and unknown, through new labors and new shores, are due to leave, learning to speak the language of farewells. Now it remains that desire to go that still drives us to leave, but is the same that invites us to return. Because in Sicily, in my Sicily, the family is the strongest bond that we feel, that we need, and whose presence must never abandon us. The family is the one that binds and unites between lunches and sweet fragrances of almonds, ricotta, and cinnamon. It is the Sicily of the table and of the relatives. It is the Sicily of hospitality for those who pass by here and for those who enter without having to knock. Because my Sicily is that of open doors and altruism, who sings love, passion, and pain. It is the Sicily of jealousy, which of noble has little, but of hard times has so much. It's that of excesses, excess of love, but also of passion, the same passion of transportation of love and suffering.
Perché la Sicilia è l'altro che viene, è terra che accoglie.
Because my Sicily is the other one that comes. It is the land that welcomes. It is a mother who embraces. This is my Sicily.